Hi, good morning or good afternoon. Welcome to our virtual classroom on Schoology. I know it's going to be a little different, but with you and your home teacher and with me together, we can still have some great learning time and a lot of fun. So let's start our day the way we usually start our day at school, by saying good morning or hi with a smile or a hello hug with your home teacher. Oh, do I miss your good morning hugs. And you can do our song when I finish talking to get your body up and moving and your brain ready to learn. Speaking of brains ready to learn, I have a favor to ask. I need you to teach your home teacher the way we get our bodies ready to listen and learn. Do you remember the 5 parts? Eyes, eyes on the speaker. Mouth, lips, lips closed and quiet. Hands, hands are empty and folded. Our back is up nice and tall. And our feet are quiet on the floor or folded in front of us. Remember? Crisscross applesauce, spoons in the bowl. You got it. I knew you'd remember how to learn. I'm so excited for you to get started with all the fun activities I have planned for you this week. So, let's get started now. The rest of the day is whatever we make it. Let's make it a great day. Have a great day.